Hi everyone, I just thought I'd check this out. This is a new, decided I might give this a shot as a night hunting tool. Normally we use headlamps for shooting with the slingshot at night, but this cool little light here, just a hang light. I got it for free from Harbor Freight. It has a lantern and flashlight on it. So then when you hang it, oh, pretty strong. I'll show you right now what you do. Okay, we'll set it up. Just hang it on your collar. On your collar like so. And just put it at an angle, and it seems to illuminate out to about 12, 13 yards, close to 15 yards. It'll light up an area. All you have to do is adjust it on your collar to your shooting stance. I stand sideways, so I'm standing sideways and just hanging it, and you can see quite a ways. Nice little tool, and I got it for free. So pretty cool. Just something you could put in your toolkit. Keeps your hands free. Your head movement is normal. It's something to consider. It was free, so just thought I'd give it a try one day when I was outside doing some work at night, and say, hey, this could work for some night shooting. Alright, just some little something I thought I'd share. Thanks for watching.